Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make my signature cherry pistachio tart. I love cherries, I love pistachios. Pistachios and cherries are classic pairings in pastry. So this tart simply has to taste good. This tart is one of my signature products, which means I've put in a lot of thought and effort in developing this recipe, both in terms of the looks and the taste. So it's going to be a bit difficult, and it's not something that you can make it within an hour. There are quite a few steps and a lot of work that you need to put in to make this tart. And I guess it will suit more of the junior pastry chefs that are watching my channel, and I know that there are a lot of you. For home bakers, I think this would be a really good challenge for you, because you need one of those challenges once in a while. And you will learn lots of tips and tricks along the way, so it'll be worth it. This tart recipe featured in the Korean Pastry Chefs magazine a few months ago, and it received a lot of positive feedback. So you can think of it as an approved recipe, so give it a try. First, you need to start with the tart shell. I have a very detailed video on how to make a perfect tart shell, so please take a look at that. Once you have the tart shell ready, you're going to fill it in with the pistachio almond cream and bake that. This is not an ordinary almond cream, but it's a pistachio almond cream, which reinforces the overall pistachio flavor in the tart. Above that, you're going to place a layer of cherry confit. And when you're making cherry confit, you're going to split it into two, so that you can use it for both filling it inside the tart above the almond cream, and also to pour it into a semi-sphere silicone mold, freeze that, and place it at the center of the tart. And finally, you're going to pipe the pistachio whipped ganache, and this is the highlight of this tart. It's this piping technique that makes this tart look so beautiful. My explanation is pretty thorough, so hopefully it'll help you grasp the idea of how to pipe this. I haven't included clips on how to make a tart shell in this video because it was going to become too long, so please watch my previous upload. Pistachio almond cream. So this is essentially almond cream with pistachio paste added. So here we have butter, powdered sugar, almond powder, eggs, and pistachio paste. So everything should be at room temperature, and you should beat everything lightly. Now powdered sugar, sifted almond powder, and now I'm going to gradually add in the eggs. So that's all done, so finally our pistachio paste. I'm going to finish it off with my spatula. So my pistachio almond cream is all done. Just look at the color. I mean, just looking at that color, I can feel the pistachios, and I can just see that when it's baked, it's going to taste fantastic. Right, so time to put everything together. I've got my pistachio almond cream, which is from yesterday. I've left it overnight. I'm going to spread it inside my tart and bake it. Pistachio whipped ganache. So this is whipped ganache with pistachio paste, heavy cream, corn syrup, white chocolate, gelatin, and pistachio paste. First of all, I'm going to soak the gelatin in ice cold water. And now I'm going to heat up my heavy cream and corn syrup. And at the same time, I'm going to melt my white chocolate. Right, my heavy cream and corn syrup is hot. I'm going to pour it over my melted chocolate. And now I'm going to mix my white chocolate and heavy cream, and that's what we call an emulsion. And I'm going to create an emulsion using my blender. Please get one of these. It just makes your life so much better. Now time to add the gelatin. I'm going to squeeze the water out of it and add it in. And finally, our pistachio paste. So now I'm going to put this in the fridge and leave it overnight so that it'll completely cool down and stabilize. I'm going to use it tomorrow. Right, cherry confit. I'm going to use cherry confit twice in this tart. First of all, I'm going to use it as a layer on top of the almond cream. And secondly, I'm going to pour my cherry confit into a semi-sphere silicone mold, freeze that, and place it right at the center of the tart. So we have a few ingredients here: cherry puree, pectin, sugar, lemon juice, gelatin, and cherry liquor. If you don't have cherry liquor, you can leave it out. First of all, I'm going to soak my gelatin in ice cold water. By the way, when you use pectin, pectin is always mixed in with sugar. It's never used alone because it creates lumps. My cherry puree goes in. It's actually a mixture of Amarena cherries and Morello cherry puree. Now my puree is around 40 degrees Celsius. I'm going to add in the sugar and pectin. Mix well so you don't get any lumps. So this has started boiling. I'm going to boil it for another minute or so and add in the lemon juice. Right, lemon juice. Mix it well. Right, so that's done. I need to add in my gelatin. I'm going to squeeze the water out of the gelatin and add it in. I'm also going to add in my cherry liquor. Now, this will go into the freezer so that it will freeze completely so that you can take it out of the silicone mold. And with this, I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it cool completely, and use it. Now that my pistachio almond cream is baked nicely and completely cooled down, I'm going to apply a layer of cherry confit that we made earlier. Perfect. Look at that. Look at how nice it looks. Red mirror glaze. I'm going to dip my cherry confit dome into this red mirror glaze so it looks really shiny and nice. It's really easy to make it. You only have 3 ingredients. I have Absolute Crystal from Valrhona, hot water, and just a few drops of red food coloring, and that's it. I'm going to mix everything, bring it to a boil in the microwave, then strain it. And I'm going to use this glaze when the temperature drops down to 60 degrees. Now here's my cherry dome. I'm going to take this out of the mold, use a toothpick, dip it. Look how it's already shiny. And my job is to place this right at the center of the tart. So that's done. We have our final step, which is to pipe the pistachio whipped ganache. Here's my pistachio whipped ganache that I made earlier and let it rest overnight. And now I'm going to whip it. So I'm now going to transfer this to a piping bag, and the secret to my pistachio tart is the piping. I'm not going to use a nozzle or a tip, but it's all about cutting the piping bag at the right angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this at an angle. So if you look right here, you can see that I'm going to cut this piping bag at an angle. So look that it's cut at an angle, and that's key. I've got to admit, the piping here is rather difficult and it takes a lot of time to practice, but it's my secret and I'm sharing with you. So that was the most difficult part done, and now I'm going to do my final decorations. And finally, some pistachios. And finally, my logo. Look at this. Just look at that. It looks great. Wow. Right, so that was my signature cherry pistachio tart. It's definitely on the harder side in terms of the difficulty compared to other videos that I've uploaded, but give it a try. Why not? Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and I'll come back with another amazing recipe next time. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.